All right, how to change the master code on the Teeho smart lock. So first things first, if this is a brand new lock, the code's going to be 1234567 8. If that's not the master code and you got the lock from someone else, you're going to want to go ahead and factory reset the lock. You'll see here on the top, there's a way to factory reset the lock. But if you did get it right out of the box or you do know the master code, the first thing that you're going to do to change the master code is you're going to click Teeho twice. You're going to type in the master code, which I'm doing right here, 678. And then after you do that, you're going to hit Teeho again, wait for the green light. You're going to press 1, and then now you're going to type in the new code. So we'll do 54321 8. And then when you have that new master code, you'll click the green button again. And then to confirm that master code, you're going to do it one more time. 54321 8. And there you go. That's how you change the master code. The green flash is going to let you know that it's been changed. So once again, if you don't know the master code, go ahead and do that factory reset, and it'll go right back to that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So there you guys go. That's how you add a master code on the Teeho lock. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.